How to create a donut shape in Photoshop, PC or Mac. Go to the Tools panel and select the Ellipse tool. Hold down the Shift and create a circle. Go to the Move tool and reposition. Go to the Tools panel, select the circle, drag and hold down the Shift. Go to the Move tool and reposition it. Select both of the shapes, go to the Layers panel and down to Merge Shapes. Go to the Tools panel and select the Path Selection tool. Select the inner path, go to the Properties panel and Pathfinder and select Subtract Front Shape. If you want to resize it, simply resize it, scale it as you would normally. And then you can reposition in the center again. If you want to finalize the shape, go up here and select Merge Shape Components. And now you've got your donut shape. Happy eating. To make it easy for yourself, you might like to use this guide. Go to View and down to Guides and New Guide Layout and go with 2 and 2 and click OK. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.